Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go on Guitar. We have another song from Powfu, My Love for You. So we're gonna dig deep in My Love for You, guys. So let's do that with a capo set on 3rd fret. That's the best setup for us. 3 easy chords we're gonna handle. So let's go into it and start with F major 7. I'm gonna show you 2 different versions of it, one bar version and one shorter version of this same chord. So the bar version is to place an index finger on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there, and then you're gonna add on 3rd on A, 2nd on D, and 2nd on G. Could be a little bit tricky to fit with all the fingers in the short area like that. If you can, that's great, but you can also do this shorter version of F major. And that will be simply to play 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. So you can have the option there to go with whatever chord or version of the grip there you want to hit the F major 7, all right? And next chord will be the G6 chord. Okay, that is very close to the standard G, but we're gonna let everything down there be open, so that gives us 3rd on E, 2nd on A, and then all the strings down below are open. Open D, open G, open B, and open E. And the 3rd and final chord will be A minor 7. And that will be to play open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we have that sweet melody going on there in the same way through the entire song. We're gonna go chord by chord. And I can just mention now the chord progression will be F major, G6, A minor, and G6. And it goes like that, okay? So we're gonna start with the first F major part when it comes to the melody, and it goes like this. Okay, so that is to play 1st fret on E string in the bass together with 2nd G, then 3rd A, then 2nd G, 3rd A, and 2nd D. Short pause, and then again 2nd D. Okay, so. Then comes the next G6 chord. You're gonna play it this. So that's to play 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with open B, then open D, open B again, back to open D, open B, and then open G. That open G comes after a bigger pause. So you play the last open B there, and then pause, and then open G. So like this. Then we have the A minor 7. It goes like this. So that is to play open A together with 1st B, then 2nd D, and then open B, 2nd D, open G, a big pause, and then again open G. And then we go into the final chord, again the G6. This is a little bit different than the first one. It goes like this. So that is to play 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with open high E, then open D, open B, back to open D, and open G. Big pause, and then again open G. And that's the final note of that melody pattern. So together everything sounds like this. Okay, so that is one round. You can play that forever, or like a couple minutes through the entire song here of Powfu's My Love for You. Now you can also play a simple string pattern, and yeah, we're gonna teach that with the F major 7. I'm gonna go with the bar version. Again, you can use the shorter version of it. It's up to you, but one string around will be down, down, clap, down. So down, down, clap, down. You're gonna play 2 of these per chord. So F major 2, G6 2, A minor 2, G6 2. That is 1 round of the chord progression, and you keep on like that. So like this. Alright, so 2 ways of handling Powfu's My Love For You. Melody or strumming, good luck with this one. And if you enjoyed it, feel free to support me here and go on guitar, why not? So, hope to see you soon guys. Until next time, play tuned.